Hey, Billy D here from Billy D's Adventures at the Pioneer Club in Laughlin. This video is all about the river. The Pioneer Club opened, I think it was in '79. It's a really cool little casino. You can drive up to your rooms, most of them, except for the riverfront rooms. And it's right here on the banks of the Colorado River. And it's a beautiful day today. These are all the riverfront rooms right here. Awesome hotel. They're pet friendly too, so you can bring your babies along. They rent Sea-Doos, which I'll probably be renting tomorrow. I like this casino the best because you can usually park right in front of your room, except for the riverfront rooms. I'm gonna head over to Lake Mead tomorrow sometime. There's the Colorado Belle. It opened in November of 1980. It's closed. I heard it was because of COVID and they couldn't hang in. It's really a cool casino as well. I hope they reopen it. I'm told the Belle, the Colorado Belle, is going to be torn down. I guess they were rejuvenating it and found the foundation crumbling into the river. Sad. So Laughlin, although a lot of fun, is giving way to Kingman and Hoover Dam tomorrow morning. We're on our way. D here from Billy D's Adventures. I'm here with some awesome people from Spain, and I'm getting some video of Lake Mead and the level, the water level, that is, and it has gone way down. You can see here where it's dropped. It's supposed to be way up here. That's the marina. We're gonna go there next. Lovely Mead, but it's a shame to see it dropping like this. I stayed at the Boulder Lodge, sorry, the Lake Mead Lodge last night. Awesome. Awesome place, reasonable prices. So I met these awesome people. There's a picture on this video of them. Marco and Tanya. They're from Spain. And, well, they were flying their drone. They asked me if it was legal. I thought it was, but don't think we didn't get busted. But the officer was very nice and told us the rules, didn't ticket us, didn't confiscate the drone. And we moved on. So this is the Hoover Dam, and I'm going on the walking tour. So you can see the notorious bathtub ring quite a ways down. It's sad to see the river drying up. So I guess it'd normally be water up here. I think these are the gates right here. Sorry about the wind noise. I always forget my dead cat, and it's always windy every time. You'd think I'd remember it. Well, that's what happens when you get old. You forget everything. Isn't this awesome, though? My dad worked for MWD. I used to come to these places as a kid, but now you have to go through security and your car gets searched. And gee, I have several state clearances for several things, but it wasn't a problem getting in. So there's supposed to be water back up in here, but it has dried up, and that's really sad. My dad used to work for MWD, and as a kid I came to all these places. There was no security back in the day, and frankly they did search my car coming in here, but they do that to everybody. I have state clearances, FBI clearances, so I don't understand it, but they did. They were nice, though. Can't complain. But the people who were flying the drone from Spain that I mentioned earlier, they were threatening to take their drone away from them, but like building a dam is some big secret or something. It's like, gee whiz, they're all over the world. Get over it, people. But they were nice. The guy was nice. I can't really complain. The Hoover Dam, to me, is stunning. Just beautiful. It's such a shame I can't, or nobody can get into down below now, I don't believe. We'll see. Back in the day when my dad worked here, you could do whatever you wanted. But ever since 9/11, well, we can't do much anymore without watchful eyes, security checks. And I understand the reasoning behind it, but that doesn't mean I like it. So I think this is Boulder Beach. Normally we would be underwater right now on a normal non-drought type situation. We would be underwater. This is the first video in my new rig I've done. I had to go get something with a camper shell and crawl. And it's still a Tacoma though. Still a pretty cool truck. You can see the bathtub ring down the way. On a normal water level situation, we would be way underwater. There's one of the floating bathrooms right there. It's supposed to be floating. So we're approaching Boulder boat launch area. It's closed because of the water level, I assume. But I just wanted to take a look and, well, see what it looked like. So we have arrived at the boat launch, and as you can see, there's no water here. Here's the docks to tie your boat up after you launch. The water line is a good quarter of a mile away. Boulder Beach. As you can see from the water line in the hill in front of us, you can see the different water levels as it came down the hill. We would be underwater with this truck. Well, I think it's depressing, and well, it's amazing, not in a good way. So here I'm at a lookout point near Boulder Beach. You can see, well, you can see some water out there, and you can see where the water lines have been here. It's sad and depressing. You can see maybe, yeah, way over there is the river. So I guess it wound around here. Back in the 70s, I was always out here with my boat. I don't even recognize it anymore. We have arrived at Hemingway Harbor, and typically this would be all underwater, I guess. You can see the water lines way over there. Matter of fact, water line right here, 2008. All these docks out here in front of us are floating docks. They come and go, I mean, you know, rise and fall with the water level. interesting. Waterline 2018. I have walked the length of 2 football fields to get here. Typically, I'd be drowning or in a boat. I used to come out here all the time in the 80s with my jet boat with my friend Robert Council from Las Vegas. Waterline 2021, that was 100 yards from the last sign. Amazing. I guess they're just bulldozing new parking lots and laying new cement. I'm not sure. Maybe this was already here before and just underwater. Very depressing. Well, I'm going to try to get over to Calville Bay and take a look at it. I hear it's all abandoned, so that's where we're heading next. See you there. I was wrong. The water line from 2018 to 2021 is 50 feet. That's a lot of water in a year or so to be dropped. Sad. On to Calville Bay. Seen this little cove on the way to Calville Bay, across this bridge, and it's just beautiful down here. I wanted to get some video of it and some pictures because it is so pretty. It's just beautiful. The outcroppings of the cliffs over there, also beautiful. I would so love to hike down there and go swimming. It is beautiful down there. But I'm not going to because I'm pressed for time. But you can bet I'll be back in the fall when it's cooled down a little bit.
Head south on North Shore Road.
I'm trying to keep these short videos short because I don't want to have a long video uploaded. So I'm just doing very little shots at a time. This is, well, the nude beach area of Henderson, aka Mamba Bay, for one of my buddies and I that used to come out here on our boats. But I understand the water level, well, of course, is down from here too, as it is everywhere else along Lake Mead. But I'm going to take a look. We'll see what's up here. Stay tuned. Well, we're getting out here in the middle of nowhere, and this is why, Mr. Gary, I like four-wheel drive. Because sometimes in these kind of areas you need it. I don't think we need it today, but you never know. I love off-roading, but I really like something a little bit more challenging than this. But I think we'll be there in a couple more minutes. Well, I'm pretty sure this was what we used to call Mamba Bay area, Actually, I think it was over in here, but don't know for sure. Uh-oh. I had to turn around. I'm not going to take a chance of getting my truck stuck in the soft mud down here. This, right now, back in the day, this would be, we would be underwater. Phone keeps shutting off. I don't know why. I guess it doesn't like the heat. Well, I'll try another spot over here and see if we can get some swimming time in before we go to Calville Bay and Echo Bar. No, I didn't bottom out. It just sounded bad. So we're now at Calville Bay. There's all the boat docks. And this used to be the launch ramp. Back in 2002, right here it says, was the water line. I would be swimming right now back in 2002. It's not the case now. Lake Mead waterline in 2002. Well, it's quite a ways down there now. They don't even have a launch ramp here anymore that I know of. This used to be it. There's some docks over there. Probably the clubhouse over there. But I understand Temple Bar is completely closed and abandoned. And I used to boat there. Well, I'm going to say 85 with my little jet boat. So that's where we're heading next, Temple Bar. We're out at Echo Bay. I guess these were stores or something. They're pretty well closed up and abandoned. Don't know if these were apartments or what they were. But they're all boarded up, so we probably won't be able to get in and see anything.
Head southeast toward Lower Campground.
But we'll walk around and get some videos anyway. kind of sad. This is all due to the drought and the water disappearing from the area. St. Clair Paints over there. I don't know what this building was. It had to be like general stores or something. I heard it was all abandoned. This was a restaurant, it says. What a shame to lose all this. This one has a board off the window, so we'll take a peek inside, see what it was. I guess it was a hotel. I'm not responsible for the writing. Yeah, I guess it was a hotel. I'll be dang. Holy moly. I've been here before boating too. Back again, I think it was around 86. This place was packed. It's so sad to see it all closed up. Even the ranger station right over there is closed. There's somebody hanging out over there in a Jeep. What a shame. This is the other side of the little hotel. And this, I guess, was the launch at one time. You can see how far the water's out there now. We'll go down to the marina and store and see if they're open. I could use a cold soda. Bay launch ramp. You can see the bathtub ring over there. So you know, all the way down now, you know how bad it is. It looks like the Colorado's going to dry up. Okay, so as you can see by the bathtub ring, it's at least 200 feet low. That's devastating. Echo Bay is closed. I did get to go swimming over there by the docks, but the docks are high and dry as well. So sad to see the Colorado River so low. The water level was up where it used to be. We would be well underwater with this truck. I would say it would be unrecoverable. Floating bathroom out there. Wish I still had my Sea-Doo. I'd be out there. Well, I think this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it.